Ecuador is a truly amazing place to be a kayaker, but sometimes it's not all that easy. When it rains, you go to the river, and when there is a crew around, you get to share life on the river with your best friends. I have known about Salto del Armadillo for 5 years now. Ever since I first discovered this waterfall, it has been on the top of my dream list of exploration in Ecuador. But when the rain came to Santo Domingo, I was left watching the little bits of river fall from the sky with no one to paddle with. After anxiously waiting throughout a day of rain, I loaded up my car and started driving. I had no crew, but sometimes that's life in a country that doesn't have kayakers, living in every drainage that has grading and water. Visualizing myself drifting closer to the lip, entering free fall, and controlling my boat angle, I saw the line I had dreamed about for years. I gave my throwback to a nervous local, showed him how to use it, and got into my boat, perceiving every stroke and breath from here to the lip to the landing.
Es serpiente de ala emplumada, como hiedra voy trepando tus paredes. Todo esclarece desde aquí adentro, todo esclarece desde aquí adentro.